Hello and welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be introducing you the basics of AutoCAD, a computer-aided design software used by professionals in various industries to create specific 2D and 3D design. First, let's take a look on AutoCAD Interface. When you open the program, you will see the drawing area, which is where you can create and view your designs. On the top side of the screen, you will find the ribbon. This contains all of the tools and commands you will need to create your design. The ribbon is divided into tabs, each containing a specific set of tools. For example, the Home tab contains some basics drawing tools and editing tools, while the Annotate tab contains tools to add text and dimensions to your design. To start a new drawing, click a New button in the Quick Access Toolbar at the top of the screen. This will open a new dialog box where you can choose the template for your drawing. Once you will select it, click on Open button to just start a new drawing. Now let's talk about some basic drawing tools. One of the most basic drawing tool is Line tool, which allow you to draw a straight line in AutoCAD. To use the Line tool, simply click on Line button in the Home tab, then just click and drag your mouse to draw a line. You can also use the Circle tool to draw circles and the Rectangle tool to allow the rectangle to draw a rectangle. In addition to basics drawing tools, AutoCAD also include a wide range of editing tools. For example, Erase tool allow you to delete objects from your drawing, and the Copy tools allow you to duplicate objects. You can also use Move and Rotate tools to reposition and rotate AutoCAD objects into your drawing. Finally, AutoCAD include a variety of tools for adding dimensions and notations to your drawing. The Dimension tool allow you to add linear, angular, and dimension tools to your drawing, while the Text tool allow you to add some text labels and notes. I hope this brief introduction to AutoCAD has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on using AutoCAD to create details and accurate designs.